Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be April's Boxycharm, which they had called Peace, Love, and Boxy. Had to look at the paper to remember. I've received 5 items in total in my box, all full size, $21 a month. The great thing about it is that because everything's full size, in total the box is worth to 100 and 150 bucks. So you get everything for $21 a month. I think it's worth it. I was originally on Ipsy. I mentioned this in my last video. The good thing about Ipsy is everything's travel size, but I did decide to upgrade and try Boxycharm, and I was not disappointed. I started Boxycharm, I want to say it was the beginning of this year, so January, and every box I've received I've been really happy with. Originally, I wasn't too excited about this box because I was so excited for the last one. So I was like, okay, if I don't get things I don't like, it's not that big of a deal. However, I did like everything I got in the box. The makeup look I'm actually wearing now is from everything in the box. So the eyeshadow look is from the eyeshadow palette, also the liquid liner, the brushes I also used, the highlighter, and the lip gloss. I actually kind of like this look. I did it in a matter of like 15 minutes because I was rushing to make this video. But I actually like it. Everything that's in the box gives you like Coachella vibes. I think everything they did for this month was to represent Coachella. I've never been, so I wasn't sure what type of makeup looks people did. But when I think of Coachella, I think of warm colors, bright colors. So I used some of their bronzy colors, the pink and the purple that's in the palette. And I actually kind of like it. It's different. I don't know how often I'll do this, but I do like it from my normal. I normally do neutral looks, bronzy looks, and that's about it. But this is definitely different. I may actually do a tutorial on this. May do it a lot better than this since this was a rush. But I absolutely love everything that was in the box, especially since I'm wearing everything. So let's go ahead and get started with the video so you can see everything that is in there. This month's box is Peace, Love, and Boxy. They basically based everything off of Coachella, which is why they styled the makeup brushes and the palette the way they did. It's really pretty. It actually does remind me a lot of Coachella, as they did the pink, orange, and yellow ombre with the festival background. There are 5 items in this box. As you can see, there's more pieces, but in total it's considered 5 items. They gave a full-size palette, makeup brushes, liquid eyeliner, a lip gloss, and a powder highlighter. So let's go ahead and start seeing exactly what's in the box. These brushes are the Luxy Summer Days 3-piece. These brushes are from Luxy. It's called the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. They come with a small contour brush, a small shader brush, and a large shader brush. If you can't already tell, I have used the contour one already and I really like it. I haven't tried these yet. Will eventually. However, these 3 brushes together is $28. You can get it off of their website. I have looked to see what other brushes they have, as I had liked the bristles on these for the face brush. And they do have this set on there that is retailed for $27. I like how it applied my contour. I will eventually try the eyeshadow ones to see how they work on my eyes. But the quality and everything of these brushes are amazing. Next is the liquid liner by Beauty For Real. It's called the Finish Line Liquid Liner. They say it's a 24-hour liquid liner, mistake-proof, waterproof. I am unsure, but it does say it's smudge and budge resistant. It is a black shade, and I can show you how it applies as well. Very fine tip. I usually don't use pen liquid liners. I usually like other ones, but this is pretty pigmented, so I may actually give this a shot. I like having fresh, brand new liquid liners to do my wings, as I can have a heavy hand when it comes to liquid liner. I always have to use concealer to clean it up and sharpen them up. This liquid liner retails for $16. It is full size, so you won't have a travel size one. Of course, you can travel with it, but It is full size. I'm definitely going to give this a shot eventually to see if it's worth the price. Next thing in the box is the Steve Laurent lip gloss. It lets you know here at the end that it is a lip gloss, and it is in the color Champagne. Don't know if that is clear for you. There we go. It is in the color Champagne. I was a little weary of this, as I usually wear liquid lipsticks, not lip glosses. And when it came out the box originally, I thought this was going to be way too light for me. It is a nude color. This is full size. It has a rose gold top. I will do a swatch for you. When I did apply this at first, I was in complete shock because it did make my lips look a little plump. See how it's pretty? It seems sheer when applying it like this because you can't really see the color. However, on the lips, if you do like a little darker nude of a lip liner and then put this on top, this is really pretty on, and it is pretty thick. I don't think it would come off much unless you're eating, of course. It is lip gloss. If your hair gets in your face, it's gonna get stuck in this lip gloss. But in a way, that's a good thing because at least you know there's good consistency in the lip gloss. This lip gloss itself retails for $22. I'm assuming it's because of the brand and the consistency of the lip gloss. I probably would not spend $22 on my own to get lip gloss. Maybe more for a liquid lipstick just because I know how I am. I eat a lot, drink a lot, my hair gets all in my face. Last thing I need is for it to get stuck in lip gloss. But for it coming in the box, I'm definitely going to use it. I do like the consistency and the color on me, especially with the darker nude lip liner. Next up is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose powder highlighter. I have tried it on. It is in Summer Haze. I have already popped this open. As you can tell, I ripped it. Not down here. This comes packaged, but I did rip it trying to get it open. I could not get my nails in the box, which is no surprise. But Artist Couture did team up with Boxycharm, so we could go ahead and have a full size. This is the packaging. Super cute. Small, but it is the full size. They even have the name of it back here. I'll go ahead and give you a sample. Well, not a sample. I'll show you what it looks like on the skin. I do already have a lot of powder. I have tried this on before. Very pigmented. And if you like to spray your face before putting on the highlighter, like I do, this is really pigmented. This is with no spray. I do like it. It does retail for $27. I'm not sure if they have bigger sizes, but for this size it is $27. It is golden. It's a golden color is what it looks like. I have been liking more of the rose gold highlights recently, but this gold one is really pretty on. It gives a natural highlight without spraying your face first. If you spray your face first or your brush first and then put this on, then it's very pigmented. Your face is definitely going to be highlighted. It depends on my mood if I want to do either or, but love this. The final item in the box is the palette from Pure. It is a shadow palette. They called this one Festival due to the colors. These are the colors that are in the palette. There are some that are straight glitter, absolute glitter. The rest are shimmer or matte. I had swatched them before. I won't swatch them now just because there's so many, but you can see which ones are the glitter ones, which ones are the shimmer. I feel like the shimmer ones apply well, the matte ones apply well. The ones with the glitter, you'll definitely need to lay something on your eye first before putting the glitter on. This palette retails for $36. There are 12 pigments in here. Here are the colors again. Gives you a full description, how to apply them, ingredients, and everything else. In the box, you get a eyeshadow primer. They call it Get a Grip. It is a sample. You probably can purchase this on their website, but they do give you a sample of their eyeshadow primer to use with the palette. This is what the palette looks like outside of the box. Looks just like the front. Love how they stuck this here. And that's the back. I took one side of the paper off because I don't want it messing up the mirror. These are the colors. These are the two glitter that I was talking about, that you'll definitely need to put a base underneath in order to go ahead and put that on. I'll go ahead and show you how that looks too. See how it starts getting chunky? So you're definitely going to need something underneath it to be able to put it on, but it's still really pretty. I think this is perfect for Coachella. I have never been, so I can't tell you what shades are good, what colors are good to use, but those of you who have been or have Googled it, YouTubed it, everything else, you know that these colors would be awesome. This entire palette retails for $36. You get 12 eyeshadows out of it. Each one has a name on here. Like this one's Free Spirit, this one's Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace, Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, 24K Magic, Fireworks, Sunset, Hidden Dessert, and All Night. So the good thing is at least you know the names of each shade. I definitely like to keep this on just to protect the mirror. And that is the full-size palette. Well guys, that's everything that is in the box. I hope I was able to give you decent information on each item. Like I said, I've used some of it, such as the brushes, the lip gloss, and the highlighter, and I actually was not disappointed. I definitely was way more excited for last month's box versus this one. So I thought I was going to be disappointed, but once again, Boxycharm has impressed me. In case you do not know, this box is $21 a month. As mentioned before, you get full-size items. This month's box in total was $129 worth of items, only for $21 a month. So I do recommend Boxycharm. I really do enjoy them. I love everything they put in the boxes. I love how they keep us informed. So if you haven't tried Boxycharm, I would definitely give it a shot. Aside from that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know in the comments below what videos you would like, and I will be able to make some videos off of them. Let me know what tutorials or reviews you're interested in, and I will definitely make note of it so I could go ahead and make some more videos. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.